Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the app is up to date, because older builds may hide features. Once done, unlock your phone and open WhatsApp to the main chat view. Now tap More Options, the 3 dots at top right, or the gear icon on iPhone to enter settings. You do this first so the theme controls appear. It saves you time versus hunting through menus later and prepares the app to switch display modes immediately. You're in Settings, so head straight to Chats to find Theme. Tap Theme and you'll see choices: Light, Dark, or System Default. Choose Dark to force the app into dark mode now. This reduces glare and can save battery on OLED screens. If you prefer the phone to decide, pick System Default so WhatsApp follows your OS dark or light schedule. Make sure to tap OK or Apply if prompted, because some versions require confirmation to take effect. You should now see dark colors across chats, status, and settings. Check a few screens to confirm. If something looks off, close and reopen WhatsApp and make sure your phone system theme isn't forcing a different mode. Once done, Restart fixes most glitches. If dark mode still fails, update the app or clear its cache and device settings, because corrupted files often block theme changes. If all else fails, reinstall WhatsApp after backing up your chats to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.